Mel 2204, your project vlogger host. Subscribe.
Hindi na nga umabante ng top 3 finalists si Miss International Queen Philippines, Sophia Arcangel, but still we are so proud of her for making the top 6 finalists ng MIQ 2024. And now this video, ito po ang pasok sa top 3. We have Miss International Queen Peru. Next on the list, we have Miss International Queen Thailand. And also, part of the top 3 is Miss International Queen Vietnam. Again, congratulations to our top 3 finalists, Thailand, Peru, and Vietnam. And also congratulations to all of our candidates of Miss International Queen 2024 competition. Mga kababayan, huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe dahil marami pa po tayong mga updates na ibibigay. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.